You're watching 7 Action News, always taking action for you.
All right, 6:42 on this Saturday morning. Still ahead on 7 Action News this morning. We all get it, and some more than others. We're talking about pain, and next we'll sit down with a doc who's here to tell us how we can manage it.
You're watching 7 Action News on this Saturday morning.
All right, thank you, Chris. Pain, it's a massive problem that affects 125 million Americans who are spending close to about $300 billion on pills, pot, procedures, and natural remedies to find relief. Now, these numbers are fueling a national conversation about pain relief and how it should be addressed. Joining us this morning to talk about pain management is Dr. Ken Redcross, founder of Redcross. What's your company's name?
Redcross Concierge.
Concierge. Okay, I want to make sure I got that right. Good morning, Doc. And thank you for being with us on this early Saturday morning.
Thanks for having me. You know, I'm so glad you touched on these important points here. You know, it's interesting because everyone's seeking relief, but we're seeking relief in all of the wrong places, Jen. So
okay. We need some natural remedies, and that's what you've got here for us, right?
I do. I want us to think about our diet, relief remedies, and then some changes that we can make in our lifestyle.
Okay.
One of the things I have here is turmeric. Now, turmeric is the base of a lot of Indian cuisines, but guess what? It is also a natural anti-inflammatory. It's been used for thousands of years.
So what can we use it for?
Well, you can actually use it in your food. It also comes in capsule form as well, but it's wonderful for muscle pain in particular.
Okay.
I have these beautiful assortment of nuts here because that's to remind everyone that nuts are not only good for us, but they also have magnesium.
Okay.
Magnesium is very important because it's soothing to our muscles as well.
Okay.
Now, when we think of a relief remedy, one of the ones that I love is a homeopathic remedy called Arnica Montana.
That sounds like a lot.
It sounds like a lot, right? But let me tell you, it's interesting. I brought these beautiful daisies for you guys, but also to remind you of two things. Number one, Arnica Montana is also called the mountain daisy.
Okay.
The other reason is because it reminds us to try to stay closer to the earth.
Okay.
Now, Arnica Montana comes also in a capsule form. You can put them underneath your tongue, and they also come in a cream. The cool thing about this cream, it doesn't have that menthol medicine-y smell. Okay. So it's good for pain, swelling, and bruising.
Okay, I got to ask you, I get headaches all the time, and I take Tylenol. What are some natural things you can do for headaches?
You know, headaches are tough because they say 50% of us here in the United States get headaches. Now, there are some things that we can use. One of the ones I have here is called feverfew. Now, feverfew has been around since biblical days, actually, so I feel comfortable about that. But it's really helpful when you talk about for prevention of headaches.
Okay.
I also have a couple of oils here, lavender, basil oil, peppermint oil. Very important to use on your temples and to the back of your neck if you do actually get the headaches.
Wow, okay, thank you. Some great things for us to learn about here today. And we can obviously always find it on our website. We got to run, but before that, tell folks how they can find you, Sure,
absolutely. So you can reach out to me at Twitter at Dr. Redcross, and my website is www.drredcross.com.
Oh, thank you so much for joining us. And I'm going to try out some of these remedies, natural remedies.
There you go.
And again, we have all the information on our website, wxyz.com. Anu?